Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WooCommerce plugins to boost your dropshipping store. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. Browse through the available WooCommerce plugins. Select a plugin that suits your dropshipping needs. Click on the Install Now button. Once installed, click on Activate. After activation, you'll usually see a new menu item in your dashboard for that plugin. Follow the setup wizard or instructions provided by the plugin. Configure the settings to align with your store's objectives. Consider integrating a product import tool like AliDropship or Spocket. These plugins allow for easy product imports from various suppliers. Once installed and activated, connect your account and select products to import. Adjust product descriptions and prices to match your branding. Implement a plugin for automated order fulfillment, such as Modellist or Oberlo. These tools help streamline your order processing. Customize shipping settings within WooCommerce to ensure accuracy. Use a review management plugin to encourage customer feedback. Customer reviews can significantly enhance perceived value. Analyze performance metrics with a plugin like Monster Insights. This data helps track user behavior and conversion rates. Consider using SEO plugins like Yoast SEO to improve your store's visibility. Optimize product pages for search engines. Explore marketing plugins that integrate with WooCommerce for campaigns. Consider options like MailChimp for email marketing. Finally, regularly update your plugins to ensure optimal functionality and security. Monitor the performance of each plugin to determine its effectiveness. Adjust your strategies as necessary based on this performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.